What is known about the unmanned aircraft that triggered NATO's attack fears? This mysterious drone sparked alarm across Allied forces, raising questions about its origin and purpose that you need to hear. The unmanned aircraft that caused NATO's fears was detected close to Allied airspace. It was an unusual drone, unlike typical commercial or military models seen before. What made it stand out was the lack of identifiable markings or signals. This made it impossible to immediately trace its origin, raising suspicions about whether it was a reconnaissance device or something more dangerous. NATO's alarm was triggered by the drone's suspicious flight behavior. It flew erratically near sensitive military installations, which suggested it might be gathering intelligence or testing defenses. Because of increasing geopolitical tensions, any unidentified aircraft near NATO borders automatically raises red flags, prompting air patrols and heightened alert levels to prevent possible attacks or espionage. Analysts speculate the drone could be part of a state-sponsored espionage operation, aiming to probe NATO's defense systems. Alternatively, it might be a test to gauge reaction times and tactics. Such drones are becoming more common in modern conflicts, blurring the lines between surveillance and provocation, which explains the heightened fears and swift NATO response. In response, NATO boosted air patrols and radar surveillance to track any future unmanned incursions. They also reviewed rules of engagement to prepare for a quick defensive response if the drone was part of an attack. This incident highlights how unmanned aircraft can escalate tensions fast, requiring constant vigilance and readiness from Allied forces. The unmanned aircraft that triggered NATO's fears reveals how drones can challenge global security by operating in shadows. Their mysterious origins and unpredictable behavior keep defense forces on edge. Stay curious and hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.